Do you know what time it is?
It's Grillin time!
Yay! Oh, these chops are marinated and then grilled to absolute perfection.
Oh, and these babies are just gorgeous on a plate, and they're absolutely delicious in my belly.
Oh, so juicy, juicy, juicy.
Yes.
So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My little lamb chop Loon.
Oh, yeah. Oh, let's not go there.
Let's not go there. Anyway, we're so excited because we're grilling. We're breaking out the grill,
Yeah.
and it's that time of the year. It's that time of the year.
You're wearing short sleeves.
I know.
That's crazy.
I grill even when it's frigid outside.
I know you do.
But anyway, let's just jump right into it.
Yeah.
Let's talk about these lamb rib chops.
Yes, these are cute. I'm going to salt and pepper them.
Make sure you get the cute ones. Ask your butcher, can I have the cute
So
ones?
I'm going to salt and pepper each side of these before we put that marinade on.
And you may have noticed that they've been butterflied. These a lot of times are called lamb lollipops. We have some lamb lollipops on the blog, and I'm telling you, it is one of our most famous, our most popular
so good
recipe on there. But these were serving as an entree,
Yes.
and they're really very similar to the lollipops. Okay,
Yeah,
while he's
so
doing
I'm
that,
going to do this side, and then I'm going to flip them over and do the other side.
flip them, would you?
Here I
So
go.
I've got a quarter cup. I'm making the marinade. So I got this is so simple. A quarter cup of good quality olive oil. Then I've got like 3 cloves of garlic that I minced, and now we're going to add some herbs. This is a tablespoon of fresh chopped thyme and a tablespoon of fresh chopped rosemary. Okay, and then I'm just going to.
That's it?
That's it. I'm telling you this.
Oh, I got to hurry up.
Hurry it up, would you, Looney? So this is what another one of the things that's so great about this is it's just so easy. The lamb chops are just so deeply flavorful and then you grill them and you get that beautiful charred smoky flavor. It doesn't need a lot of additional flavor enhancements.
Hold on, I'm using one hand for pepper, one hand for salt.
Oh, you're so methodical. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and just apply this right on there. Now, what you do want to do is you want to give yourself some time to let this marinade do its work.
Yeah.
And that means, I would say, a minimum of 2 hours. 2 hours is fine, but if you could even do overnight, that's even better. All right, you want to flip them for me?
Oh, that's right, I forgot. Yes, these, the longer they marinate, the better.
That's pretty much a good rule of thumb. But anyway, and then we're so excited because we have been cooking on our fun old Weber charcoal grill.
Totally.
It's just something about it. You get that good ashy not taste, but good old hot charcoals.
You don't get an ashy
You get the
taste.
nice smoke.
You get a smoke
You get a
to
nice. We don't like ashy flavor.
No.
But
Oh, look at
we're going to
those.
crank
Those are
that
gonna
up in a
grill.
few hours when we're ready to do this. So
Yes.
okay, I've got my
right.
trusty plastic wrap right here.
All right, give me
I keep
that.
You keep that right there.
Yes, and how long are we going to marinate these
Well,
for?
we're
2
going to
hours?
let it go for at least 2 hours.
Well, we
We'll
got
see.
to get that grill going.
Yeah,
too.
we got to get the grill going.
Yeah.
So at least 2 hours, and then we're going to grill them up. Okay. Yay!
Yay!
This is so much fun. I love this so much. Okay. Oh, wow.
those
Those
look
are
good.
gorgeous. Okay.
All right.
You're going to make a little salad.
Yeah, this salad goes great. It's kind of got a Greek feeling to it to go with these, lamb, which is kind of Greek. Anyway, this is a 12-ounce can of 15-ounce can of navy beans.
Or great northern white beans.
Drained, and we rinsed them. And now we're going to put in some cucumbers, an English cucumber, and that's half a cucumber, and we quartered that. We sliced it and then made little quarters, obviously, or little pieces.
Little bites, yeah.
And then we have some cherry tomatoes we halved. How much is that? That's like
a half a cup.
And then we've got parsley. How much is that, Chris?
It's a tablespoon.
I've stopped.
A fresh parsley. You've stopped even trying.
Yeah. And then we've got, actually, I know these herbs. This is oregano, garlic powder, and salt and pepper.
A tablespoon of dried oregano, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and then a teaspoon of salt. Or I actually do a half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon.
And then about a half a cup of good old feta cheese.
Yum, yum, yum.
And we're going to brighten this up
Bring it
with
all together.
some lemon juice
This
from a
is
lemon.
such a
One
good
lemon.
salad. I mean,
a lemon juice from a lemon.
Well, isn't that unusual? It's such a great salad, and we love serving it with this, but it's also just wonderful anytime. It goes with so many things. Okay,
So good.
while you're doing that,
Yeah,
and
I'm
you're
going to
stir it up-
mix it up. Hold on, Chris.
Oh,
I like to go out there on the with the grill.
Oh, that's true. It's fun to go out there. Pour yourself a
All
glass of wine.
Yeah, so I'm going to mix this up and then put it in the fridge to chill.
Yeah.
And when it's ready for those lamb chops, we're just going to
We could have done this a little ahead of time and let it sit for a while, but it's actually I think
So
it's
good.
good, really fresh.
It's so good.
All right, you
let's
did a good
go.
job. Let's head to the grill.
All
shall
right,
we?
let's do it.
Perfectly cooked lamb chops. Aren't those
Yay!
gorgeous? So we let those go for about, it depends on the heat of your grill.
Oh, those look so good.
We had some pretty good hot charcoal.
It was hot out there to begin with.
It was, and so it went about 5 minutes per side. And you just want to be careful. You don't want to get them too burnt on the outside or too charred because they won't cook all the way in the middle. A good rule of thumb is 135 degrees Fahrenheit on the inside, and you're going to plate some salad.
Yes, this salad. So we're going to put this kind of just like a bed, I guess, a bed of salad.
A bed of salad.
Hold on, this is I love.
The smell is just it reminds me of summertime and just like
Summer.
having friends over and just
Chasing fireflies.
Would you put the salad down?
I'm sorry.
You know, I know we like to call you sous chef, but okay, now look at that.
There we go.
Is that?
Oh, gorgeous. Here, let me do a little.
I know you can use your fingers on this
There
too.
you go.
I'm gonna go.
Oh,
let me give you another one.
I love it. I love it. Yes.
Make it look pretty, Wesley.
There you go.
Then I think that these just do really nice with just a little touch of finishing salt on it. You know, because it gives that little bit of texture and a little more seasoning. Oh my gosh, I'm so
Just
excited.
gorgeous. Look at that. Yay!
I know. I'm gonna go ahead and use my hands.
Yeah, just use your hands.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. I am gonna cut into this. All right, hold on.
The smell alone. This is so perfectly cooked. Look at that.
Oh wow. Yep.
Perfectly
I am
cooked.
so happy. I am so happy. All right.
Melt
Wow.
in your mouth.
Wow.
It's amazing, right? Oh yes, I know it's salad. I know it's salad. All those flavors.
Wow. Wow. Y'all. This is look at how perfectly cooked that is.
It's just something, the grill and the sun is shining and have a glass of wine and friends over.
That is 1,000% Loon approved.
Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm going in for more. You guys, this is so much fun. This is such great
I
entertaining
just want
food.
to pick it up, but I don't want
I know, oh no,
I
pick it.
do I look like a
carnivore?
Yeah.
Yum. Pick it up. They're kind of like lollipops.
Oh, I love
We love you guys.
Yay!
Grill season
Grill
is
season,
here.
yay!